Today's video topic is about getting a family reunion visa for Germany. You can also call it as a dependent visa or a spouse visa. These days Germany is becoming a hot destination where people are moving and settling down. If you are already in Germany and planning to bring your family here, or maybe you are in India and you are planning to reunite with your family in Germany, then you must watch this video till the end. I can assure you by end of this video, most of your queries related to this topic will be resolved. So without further ado, let's begin. German government is pretty favorable when it comes to family reunification, and the government permits immigrants to bring their family members to Germany on a permanent basis, and that is why this visa is also called as family reunion visa. Remember that this visa is only for the family members like spouse and children of the immigrant. So let's say if a person X who lives in Germany and wants to bring his family here from India, then he must satisfy some conditions. First, he should have a temporary or permanent residence permit like a blue card or any other work permit. Second, he should have enough income to support their family members. Third, it is important to have a health insurance for all the family members. Until the health insurance cover has been established here in Germany, you might want to take a look at travel insurance. Fourth condition is all family members should have a basic understanding of a German language. But this is not required if you come under one of these categories. Fifth condition, it is mandatory to have a proof of accommodation, and remember that when you show the accommodation proof, make sure that the apartment has a sufficient space for all your family members. So let me explain this briefly. Sufficient space means each family member over the age of 6, there must be at least 13 square meter of space available. For children below the age of 6, 10 square meter must be available. So let's assume if you are a family of 4 people with children of age 7, then total space should be 13 into 4, which is 52 square meter. The list of required documents depends on whether you are applying for your spouse or children. So if you are applying for your spouse, make sure that you have a document such as a passport. Remember, a valid Indian passport is a more significant document. So make sure your passport expiry is not close and you have at least 2 empty pages in your passport. Then you need to fill and sign 3 forms. First, application form, declaration form, and contact information. Next, you need personal covering letter explaining the exact purpose and duration of the stay of your dependents. Then you need to include a certificate of a residence of your spouse living in Germany. In German, it is called as Meldebescheinigung. It should not be older than 6 months. Next document is very important. You need to show a proof of your marriage. You need to include appropriate documents to prove your marriage, and these documents depends on which law or on which act your marriage was performed. Like in India, there are various rituals and there are different laws according to the religion. For example, Hindu Marriage Act, Sharia law, court marriage, Christian marriage acts, and etc. Please use the links mentioned in the description for the exact list of documents. And if you are applying for children, then the document list is more or less the same with few minor changes. Again, please use the link mentioned in the description for the exact list of documents. The most crucial step for your visa application is to make the entire set of supporting documents and make sure all the documents are in order. Also make sure that your signature is consistent in all the documents and it should be as accurate as per your passport signature. This will accelerate your visa approval process. It is also important to carefully put forward a personal covering letter explaining the exact purpose and duration of the stay. Having accommodation as per the space regulation as I mentioned is important for your successful visa application. Now you have all the basics covered and it's time to look at how to apply for this visa. All you need to do is first navigate to this website, select the VFS office as per your location, for example Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, etc. Then click on a book appointment. Then you need to create an account and book an appointment slot for the date and time as per your convenience. Once your appointment is confirmed, reach to the location on time with all required documents and visa fees, which is 75 euros, that is 6,600 rupees for adults, and I guess 38 euros. That is 3,300 for minors as of Jan 2023. But for more accurate figures, please validate it on the official website. I'll put all the links in the description. please prepare 2 identical application sets consisting of copies of above mentioned documents and bring all your original certificates along with. Please remember that do not staple any documents. Also note that the German missions reserve the right to ask for additional documents or to initiate a further investigation of your certificates, for which additional fees would be charged. So it is better to submit an exact list of documents to avoid extra expenses. As your application will also be forwarded to the competent immigration authorities in Germany, so the processing will take at least 3 months. Once the verification is successful, then you will be granted with a temporary type D visa on your passport. This visa is limited for 90 days or I guess 180 days, and hence once you reach Germany, you will need to visit the local registration office and extend your visa, which will be based on your partner's visa type or visa expiry. If you are interested to know more about the post arrival details, then please let me know in the comment section and I will create one more video about that. So in conclusion, I would like to say that Germany would be the best destination to lead a happy family life. The dependent spouse can study, work, or even start a business in Germany. The dependents can also have benefits such as health, education, social security, pension, etc. The dependents can also apply for permanent residence permit after a specified time and can live in Germany for long-term basis. On that note, I would like to take your leave. Check out the description box for all the links mentioned in the video. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share this with your friends and also consider subscribing for more such a content. I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.